What if I told you nature has creatures that can regrow their bodies, fire underwater shockwaves, and even rewrite evolution itself? But the craziest one of all might just change what we think is possible. These shocking discoveries will change how you see the animal kingdom forever. Let's dive in. Nature is full of amazing surprises, but did you know some creatures can literally lose their heads and keep living? Meet the sea slug, a survival expert that takes things to the next level. Certain sea slugs, like Elysia marginata, can pull off something out of a sci-fi movie. They sever their own heads and regrow an entire new body, complete with organs. Scientists aren't entirely sure why, but one theory is that it helps them escape parasites or infections. And here's where it gets even crazier. They can steal chloroplasts from algae and survive on sunlight, just like plants. This strange ability, called kleptoplasty, has scientists wondering, could this be the key to medical breakthroughs for humans? The sea slug can rewrite its own biology. But what if I told you evolution itself is doing the same thing? And it's happening right in front of us. Take elephants, for example. Humans have been poaching elephants for their ivory for decades. But what if I told you this brutal practice is literally rewiring evolution itself? In Mozambique's Gorongosa National Park, elephants are rapidly evolving to be born without tusks. What was once an ultra-rare genetic mutation in just 2 to 4% of females has now exploded. Nearly 50% of female elephants born after 1992 have no tusks at all. This isn't just adaptation, it's survival happening in real time. Scientists trace this back to mutations in 2 key genes, a survival response proving that when humans push nature, nature pushes back. Evolution isn't the only way nature fights back. Some creatures go full-on attack mode, and one of the deadliest? It's not a shark or a snake, it's a shrimp. Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny predator with an unbelievable weapon. No sharp teeth, no venom, just one oversized claw. But when it snaps that claw shut, it fires a shockwave so powerful it's louder than a gunshot. And that's not even the craziest part. The impact creates a blazing hot bubble, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun, instantly stunning or killing its prey. Who needs size when you've got nature's own superweapon? Brute force isn't the only way to dominate. Some creatures change themselves from the inside out, and one insect has a superpower that sounds straight out of science fiction. Meet the Indian jumping ant, an insect that can literally shrink and regrow its brain. When a worker wins the brutal battle to become queen, her brain shrinks by 25%, shifting her focus entirely to reproduction. But if she's overthrown, her brain grows back, like nothing ever happened. Imagine if humans could rewire their brains to match their roles in life. Nature isn't just wild, it's rewriting the rules of biology. But what if survival wasn't just about adaptation, but actual resurrection? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, scientists have already done the impossible. They've cloned a black-footed ferret, using genetic material from an animal that died in the 1980s. Meet Elizabeth Ann, the first ever cloned endangered species in the US. With fewer than 500 left in the wild, this breakthrough could bring life-saving genetic diversity to a dangerously inbred population. But here's the real question. If cloning can save these ferrets, could it one day bring back extinct species? The future of conservation just took a mind-blowing turn. And this is the creature I was talking about, the one that challenges everything we think we know about life and death. Some creatures fight to survive, but others are programmed to self-destruct. After laying her eggs, a female octopus stops eating, wastes away, and even rips off her own limbs before dying. This shocking process, called senescence, is triggered by hormones, ensuring she sacrifices everything for her young. But what if this built-in death holds secrets about aging? Scientists believe understanding it could help us slow or even reverse the aging process. Could nature's darkest mystery unlock the key to longer life? The animal kingdom is full of mind-blowing survival tricks, from regrowing bodies to self-destruction. But what if we could use these secrets to change human life? Imagine reversing aging or regenerating lost limbs. Scientists are closer than you think. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for more discoveries that could reshape our future.